learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today, why don't we take you out to the restaurant, dine out, eat some food, get the check, and have a good time.
像我们就不用煮饭，多快乐
All right, so let's take you to the restaurant and teach you terms you would need to ask when you're at a restaurant. For instance, well, first of all, let's say, today, let's go out to a restaurant and eat. 今天上馆子来吃饭。
今晡日
今晡日, that means today, right?
來去餐堂吃飯。
來去, that means let's go. 然後餐廳
餐堂
okay, that's a restaurant. 然後就知道
吃飯
吃飯 that means to eat. Right?
那海陸腔的吃飯食飯，吃也有一點帶有捲舌音。食飯一個是食飯
Wow, that's quite different actually for a different dialect to say, I want to go out and eat. And then after you finish your meal, you want to say, hey, 買單 give me the check, right? 老闆買單怎麼說呢？
調價算是
調價 that means hey boss or clerk or whoever's in charge here, right? 調價算是 that means to calculate and give me the bill, right? 算是 All right, 那可能他會說一共500元 It's 500 NT in total. How do you say that?
一共500幾元
一共 that means 一共Altogether
500幾元
500 that's 500 幾元就是500個錢是不是？
對了
500元 that means again the whole line it's 500 NT or $500 in total. And finally, maybe you have leftovers and it's such a waste to let them just dump it into the garbage. So you may want to take out, So if you want to carry out what's left over and to ask them to wrap it up, you would say 請你幫我打包嘛
請你老愛包起來
向你老矮包起來
Yes!
That means 請你幫我不對是請你幫我打包Let's review these terms. We're going to the restaurant to eat. 今天上館子吃飯
今晡日來去餐堂吃飯
今晡日來去餐堂吃飯 And then give me the bill.
調價算是
And maybe the total amount is 500 NT. 一共500元
一共500幾元
一共500幾元And finally, please wrap this up.
請你老愛
包起來
OK
俺只say All right, there you go. That's today's Practical Hakka.
是我太嘎
俺只say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.